Yeah, it's your boy Zay the Flair. Finna go in hard one time for the haters and for my fans too. You know I do it for you. Yeah. Okay, check it. See, I stay high, I spit fire like a dragon. My whip so fly, you can call me a lad. And I step up in the club, turned up like West Hand. And don't care about the money, cause the music is my passion. Been drinking that lick, got a nigga lagging. And they be jeans and high Adidas is my only fashion. Money thick like facial hair, I call it stashing. And yes, I ball hard, hogger, no passion. Money stretching, I'll call that forever lasting. See, I get sweet bread, donuts with the glaze. They say it costs to be the boss, but I already paid. I wake up in the morning, sun smiling in my face. All I can say is that it's gonna be a good day. Yeah, I'm walking this earth with nothing on my mind. They say that time is money, well I stay collecting time, huh? Yeah. See, pop, kiss, popping bottles all night. I say things you never saw, it's worth a sight. I'm number one, class A, yelling top flight. Now I'm at the top, I scored the perfect height. You only got one moment, don't miss your chance to shine. Man, I'm breaking hearts like no Cupid. I'm Valentine's, cause I'm getting mine. Yeah, I'm getting mine. Don't ask me how I'm doing, cause I'm doing fine. Don't put my name up in your mouth, cause I ain't a part of it. And I'm so crazy with the flames like an arsonist. And I'm zooming past you niggas like a thrower's pitch. Kush rope, smoking dope, wanna take a hit. I'm young to the game, they call me newborn. I tell them girls, don't suck it, just for fun. I've been smoking on this weed since the breakup done. And my pocket so big it's blocking out the sun. Eclipse, my ego larger than a spaceship. With that chopper in my hand yelling eclipse. I ain't going nowhere, nigga, and that's a fact. They put the game on hold for me to take it back. Yeah, I'm seeing through you niggas with my scopes on. I'm so holy, man, I'm living in the Pope's home. Yeah, I'm finna switch it up a little bit, man. Alright, check it. See, we dope gang, we run things. If you fuck with us, we'll spit your brain. We real niggas on real shit. We unleashing dogs like Michael Vick. I carry the tools, I stay ready to fix. Silly rap man, I stay pimpin' tricks. The money on the mental. Tryna build a high tempo. My flow is dedicated, but your flow is simple. I beat it back in like a dimple. And I bust a pussy open like a pimple. It's simple, you better get your pencil, your pencils. Take notes while I blow toast till the never smoke. When my girl cut the coke and ship it out to the dope game. Yeah. Let me switch it up one more time, man. Keep up with me, man. It's just a type of freestyle, my own. See, yeah, okay. Gotta get my mind straight. Hold up. Alright. Yeah, I got bars for life. Lyrics I lethally spit. These bars got me cold, but watch out, I get hot quick. The way I wreck the track, I leave it where it can't be fixed. Now watch how a grown man, yeah, handle this. And I caught the flames that you niggas flick. My flows are so ill, I'm the reason you get sick. When I start rapping, they be like, why you stop? I wanna hear more. Shoot something in your veins, I'm killing rappers like an overdose. Sipping on this lean, that's why my life moving extra slow. We aiming for the top, now that's word to Toronto. I'm a lyrical genius because the way that I spit, they be like, damn, how you think of that shit? I think I'm running alone on this paper trail, cause money outweighs everything, but that's on my scale. I got bars for life with no bill. My goal is to reach the stars, but I seem to fail. Oh well, no one is my partner, and that's 100%. All these rappers is fake, cause I can smell your scent. They be like, time is money, I guess my time is well spent. So much money in my pocket, there's no room for rent. See, they call me Zay the Beast, cause all I do is wreak havoc. I'm blowing out this magic money like a bowl of salad. And yeah, I eat the flames and spit out the fire. Now learning how to use my wings and still became a flyer. I ain't never gonna stop, not even retire. Man, I always told the truth, never was a liar. Yeah, yeah. Okay. See. You niggas think you dope, well I'm dope. When I hit the slope, I stay at my highest like a pope. Got my fans spinning for more, like I'm spitting coke. You niggas get your pens and take notes, while I'm taking totes of this heavy smoke. When I finish with you niggas, that's all folks, quote unquote.